Prepare to immerse yourself in the thrill and excitement of perilous moments, where colossal chainsaws roar loudly, creating a symphony of sound. And are you ready to face these incredible machines head-on? Let's dive in. This tree had other plans. What started as a routine felling quickly turned into chaos as it leaned the wrong way. It's a heart-pounding reminder that even seasoned pros can face unexpected twists.
Jackson, let's put some pressure on this.
I figured he would climb down and reset the ladder before he finished cutting, but no. Well, luckily everything was fine. The Woody H60 is an absolute powerhouse. Its robust build and cutting-edge technology allow it to handle even the toughest jobs with ease. Watching it in action is like seeing a well-choreographed dance of machinery in nature.
Dat bleek perfect. Ja, dat is goed.
But I can't help but admire the craftsmanship that went into creating this powerful machine. It maneuvers through the forest with ease, transporting heavy logs like a pro. The Steel MS-881 is an absolute beast, with its powerful 121.6C engine and a bar length up to 41 inches. Whether you're felling massive trees or bucking heavy logs, the MS-881 delivers raw power and precision every time. The Husqvarna G888 is a powerhouse chainsaw designed for heavy-duty logging. With a 122cc engine and the ability to handle bars up to 42 inches, this saw takes on the most challenging trees. Built for performance, and durability, it's a true workhorse in the forest. The East-made wood splitter is a beast when it comes to splitting logs. This splitter can handle even the toughest, not-filled wood with ease. It's built to last, making your firewood prep faster and more effortless than ever. The Lect 81 Turbo is a powerful logging tractor built for rugged terrain. From hauling massive timber loads to navigating tough conditions, this machine gets the job done with remarkable efficiency. The Husqvarna 560XP is a powerhouse chainsaw built for forestry work. Lightweight yet robust, it combines speed and control for precise cuts in demanding conditions. From towering trees to seamless teamwork, witness the raw power of machines working in perfect harmony with nature. With its robust 9-ton splitting force, this splitter can handle logs up to 24 inches in diameter. Whether you are prepping firewood for winter or managing a large logging project, the Splitfire 4209 stands ready to tackle any challenge with ease and precision. Experience the power of the Janssen GTS 1500E. This robot chipper effortlessly processes branches and debris up to 6 inches in diameter, transforming your yard waste into valuable mulch, with a reliable electric motor, making it a must-have for any landscaper. Wow, the skid-steer disc mulcher is a beast. It transforms tough landscapes into clear terrain with ease. Watch as it devours trees and brush, turning them into mulch. This powerful tool is a game changer for land clearing adventures. Watch as it navigates challenging terrain, making logging look easy. But you won't believe how smoothly it operates in downhill conditions. Witness the incredible skills on display as heavy timber is maneuvered with precision and power. So this thrilling installment captures the heart of forestry work like never before.